A fire detection and alarm system is a critical life safety system designed to detect fires early, alert occupants, and initiate appropriate responses. These systems consist of several interconnected components working together to provide comprehensive fire protection. 1. Fire detection devices. Smoke detectors detect the presence of smoke particles in the air. There are two main types. Ionization smoke detectors use a small radioactive source to ionize the air. Smoke particles disrupt the ionization current, triggering the alarm. Photoelectric smoke detectors use a light source and a photoelectric sensor. Smoke particles entering the chamber scatter the light, triggering the alarm. Heat detectors detect a rapid increase in temperature or a fixed temperature threshold. They are less prone to false alarms from cooking or dust. Flame detectors detect the infrared or ultraviolet radiation emitted by flames. They are typically used in areas where fires are likely to produce flames quickly. 2. Notification appliances. Audible alarms, horns, bells, or sirens that produce loud sounds to alert occupants of a fire. Visual alarms, strobes or flashing lights that provide visual notification, especially important for people with hearing impairments. Voice evacuation systems provide clear and concise voice instructions to guide occupants to safety. 3. Control panel. Brain of the system. The control panel receives signals from detection devices, processes the information, and activates notification appliances. Monitoring functions monitors the status of all system components, including detectors, alarms, and communication pathways. Troubleshooting and diagnostics provides diagnostic information to help identify and resolve system issues. 4. Initiating devices. Manual pull stations allow occupants to manually activate the fire alarm system in case of a fire. Automatic initiating devices, sprinkler system water flow switches, fire suppression system releases, and other devices that automatically trigger the alarm. 5. Power supply. Primary power, typically provided by the building's electrical system. Backup power, batteries or a generator provide power to the system in case of a power outage. 6. Communication systems. Dialers automatically dial pre-programmed phone numbers to notify the fire department or monitoring service. Network connections allow the system to communicate with remote monitoring stations or building management systems. 7. Auxiliary devices. Door holders automatically release fire doors to compartmentalize the building and prevent the spread of fire and smoke. Smoke dampers close automatically to restrict the flow of smoke through HVAC ducts.